how to make iron doors work in Minecraft. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, I have this area right here in where I'll put my iron doors. So I'll just dig out a hole right here. And then after that, I'll just replace one of these wooden blocks right here with a slab. There you go. And then after that, I'll just place in my iron doors right here. And then after that, I'll just add 2 blocks right here in the left and right side. And then after that, what I want to do is to just simply add redstone dust over here, add 1 more over here, and then after that, just add a redstone repeater on this area right here. And then after that, just add 1 more redstone dust right here. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So now we can now cover this up. And then there you go. So next, let's just add our button right here. So just add it there. And then after that, let's just open it up. And then there you go. The iron doors have now been opened. And then let's just add 1 more button right here from the inside. So let's just add that. And then just click it again. And then there you go. The iron doors opened again. And then it closed on its own. And then after that, you're pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to make iron doors work in Minecraft.